For the Asia-Pacific region, the Krones Center Thailand is located in the middle of Bangkok and is a subsidiary and a lifecycle service center all in one. The center belongs to the German conglomerate Krones AG, an international market leader as a manufacturer of machines and complete lines for the food and beverage industries. More than 16,000 people work for Krones worldwide.
The first time when I see our machine, I had to say, wow, what's going on? How they build it? It's very interesting for me. It's attractive. Yeah. Then I want to work with them. I want to fix them.
Over 1,000 people work for Krones in the Asia-Pacific region, and this is how it all evolved. We in the Asia-Pacific region see ourselves as one big family.
As a new joiner, I was very impressed with the warm welcome. So seems like everyone are happy. So I feel warm and feel part of the family on the first day.
As long as we work together, we feel not colleague anymore. My feeling is we are friends, we are family. Yeah, this is make me more happy when I work here.
We embrace diversity. We are experts, professionals.
My motivation in the beginning as a field service engineer is I want to be the best electrician for this company. Every time after job done, I'm very proud myself. Then when I got promoted to be a manager, I feel good when I can support my team.
We provide international coverage. From Bangkok, we look after the Asia-Pacific region. We operate 15 offices in Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Myanmar, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, the Philippines, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, and Korea. It's in the Krones Center Thailand that all the service operations are coordinated. It's here that our clients find contact persons for service deployments, specialists for technical support, a warehouse for spare parts, and knowledgeable trainers at our academy.
I can learn everything from the technology of the machine, even the working atmosphere, even the people work here. Really friendly, make me really happy to work in here.
In customer service, we have a very varied remit. Irrespective of whether you've just joined us, have already settled in, or are meanwhile a veteran, our corporate culture is welcoming, empathetic, and mutually supportive. We in the Asia-Pacific region are an international family, and we welcome all our newcomers. So, come and strengthen our Krones team.
Ba 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 da da.